इन्वेस्टिगेशन क्या देखिए, आप प्रोसिक्यूशन को कैसे असिस्ट कर सकते हैं, इसके बारे में लॉ क्या कहता है? Why you want 306 to be implemented?
Complaint to SP in 2019, and she has also written diary notes. That at least to be taken on record, because in the final report,
Who are they? Who are the accuser?
accused at present it is only the husband.
डायरी में तो आना चाहिए, डायरी में अगर मेंशन हो रहा है इसका, और घटना चक्र में भी आ रहा है, घटना का विवरण में अगर एफआईआर में, तो ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुड हैव बीन डन इन दिस मैनर आल्सो.
Still number 5. Three. Pramit Dhurandhar, AG.
ठीक है आगे.
Not father of the deceased daughter, he moved an application for further investigation under section 173 clause 8. Same has been rejected by the trial court by the order P1.
Why?
For the reason that the complainant, he has no locus after framing of charge,
How?
and for that
What is the legal position in this?
the court has relied upon one of the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court. My
What
lord.
is this?
This was the decision.
And thereafter, what is the view of the Honorable Supreme Court subsequent?
Subsequently is this one, my lord.
Yes, what is?
ये तो कोर्ट ने रिलाई किया पैरा नंबर 8 of it, saying that once the charge has already been framed, the application by the complainant is not maintained. It can be maintained, but only by the investigating agency. That was said in that. It is not that it cannot be maintained, but can be by the investigating agency for fair trial, for fair investigation. And in this, though there is ingredients, my lord, we are only saying that some are the diary notes of the girl, and some of the
So whether the can you not move an application for assisting the prosecution?
Lord, we can, but this
What will
this
be the
material, my lord, it would be out. What I am saying, this material is to be taken.
No.
Before her death.
No,
what I was-
material. How the material will be taken? You see,
on by this further investigation.
no. Further investigation क्या देखिए, आप प्रोसिक्यूशन को कैसे असिस्ट कर सकते हैं, इसके बारे में लॉ क्या कहता है?
My lord, assistance can always be done, but the material for investigation, that is always to be taken.
The charges have been framed
Ji, charges.
for 306
No, 304B.
B.
Ji.
Why you want 306 to be implemented?
No, I'm not saying that it be. I'm saying that my daughter has died. My lord, before that, she has made complaint to SP in 2019, and she has also written diary notes. That at least to be taken on record, because in the final report, the investigator has said about the report before the SP.
So whether
they could have.
whether this material was within the diary,
It is not in the diary, my lord, but it in the
whether
final.
it has been collected by the prosecution.
Not collected. That is what I am saying.
So how can it be? Even if the material is collected, then also we can direct to state to call this material also. But whether the state
By
has,
this or judgment, my recent decision.
Which decision?
Honorable Supreme Court, para number 45.
बता दो. What is this?
Para number 45, and my lord, there are certain guidelines has been laid down. Wherein this 5.3, my lord, even when the basic power to direct further investigation in a case where a charge sheet has been filed in is with the magistrate and is to be exercised subject to the limitation of 173 clause 8, in an appropriate case where the High Court feels that the investigation is not in proper direction and to be complete justice where the fact of the case so demand, the inherent power of 482 can be exercised to direct so.
Paragraph you are reading?
It is 45.3.
Yes. And what are the limitations prescribed under section 173 दिखाना था?
जी.
173 में क्या है?
Once जब चालान पुलिस पेश करती है, तो at that time the court under section 173 clause 8 can direct for further investigation.
And when the charges have been framed, then the power of the magistrate according to 170 has closed.
Ji, Supreme Court says that once a charge sheet is filed, the complainant has no locus. It is only the investigating agency. He can do it, not the complainant.
So
I'm the
what are
complainant.
the exceptional circumstances available in the record?
In this, my lord, in this, what we were pointing out is the P3, page number 48.
Yes.
That is the before it was the regular incident where she was she was frustrated and harassed.
Who are they? Who are the accuser?
Accused at present, it is only the husband. In the SP, where the SP before SP we have made a report before the incident. Incident is of 2021, but the series are going on since 2019. We are making reports. Diary notes are there. That has, though it has been discussed in the final report, but it is not been seized. and not been
डायरी में
employed.
मेंशन है।
जी देखिए फाइनल रिपोर्ट में मैं
हाँ बताइए।
पेज नंबर
So it means it was a part of the
नो
investigation.
दे आर नॉट।
No, but it was a subject matter of investigation.
जी वही मैं बता रहा हूँ।
One more judgment is there, which has been passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. I also, कि whatever the material the prosecution has investigated, collected, should be part of the diary.
जी शुड बी।
Where that, bring that judgment also. कहाँ है आपको डायरी का दिखाइए?
मैं पेज नंबर 23 पेज नंबर 23 इज फाइंडिंग ऑफ द फाइनल रिपोर्ट माय लॉर्ड।
No, whether he has say something about these particular events.
जी
documents.
आप देखेंगे 43 में।
No,
एक, दो,
page number
तीन,
23 you are reading.
पेज नंबर 23 पांचवा लाइन।
Yes.
सन 2019 में मृतिका मजीदा खातून एवं फिरोज सिद्दीकी के बीच वाद विवाद अधिक बढ़ने से मृतिका अपने मैके चली गई और लिखित शिकायत थाना दोरनपाल एवं पुलिस कार्यालय सुकमा में दिया। वही है।
Then
yes is नहीं।
yes,
I will seek instruction, Maharaj.
yes, call them. क्योंकि see, I have also पंडित जी हमने भी सेक्शन 91 पे हमने एक जजमेंट लिखा था सीआरपीसी में कि जो डॉक्यूमेंट आपने एप्लीकेशन, अच्छा यू आर नॉट द पार्टी टू द केस ना,
जी आई एम द कंप्लेनेंट
and
फादर
whether you have been assisting the prosecution,
नो माय लॉर्ड।
why don't you leave an application to assist?
I would do that also, my lord,
Yes,
because
you should.
I have to pursue my daughter. fate.
Yes, you are right, but you should pursue for, you should also.
that is one of the hand I will do. But this, if it is coming, my lord, that is fair.
यस सर, डायरी में तो आना चाहिए। डायरी में अगर मेंशन हो रहा है इसका और घटना चक्र में भी आ रहा है, घटना का विवरण में अगर एफआईआर में, तो द इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुड हैव बीन डन इन दिस मैनर आल्सो। सब्सिक्वेंटली ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक जजमेंट अभी मतलब 2022 आपका व्हेन यू आर दिस यू
वर्षागर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश।
हाँ वो उसमें
91 पे और
हाँ
वो सेक्शन 91 और
हाँ वही उसी कब का जजमेंट वो 2022-23 का ना।
2022 एक मिनट में बता दूं।
हाँ बताइए तो जब देखिए तो लेट अस सी इट। जी हमने भी एक जजमेंट निकाला था, मैं सेक्शन 91 पे तो बोर्ड में किया था, उसको निकाला था एफआईआर में। ये उसका था जजमेंट। ये तो ठाकुर नहीं रहते बोला एडवोकेट
का है।
हाँ
ये प्लेट में बता देता हूँ वर्षागर वाले पे।
नाम पार्टी का नाम बताइए तो।
वर्षागर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ वर्षागर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश।
वर्षा गर्ग आगरकर
वर्षा गर्ग
गर्ग
8/10/2022 का जन्म।
8/10 ना
8 अगस्त 8
एडमिट कर एडमिट स्टेट इज डायरेक्टेड टू फाइल रिप्लाई लेस दिस केस ऑन। अभी वहां पे क्या पोजीशन है मिस्टर
लॉर्ड अभी जो इम्प्यून ऑर्डर है उससे पता चल रहा है कि एविडेंस स्टार्ट हो गया।
होगा
हो रहा है।
कब है डेट आ गई?
जी हाँ आगे स्टार्ट
ट्रायल
हो
प्रोग्राम
गया। हाँ
कब है ट्रायल प्रोग्राम बताइए?
लास्ट डेट था माय लॉर्ड 12 ये था 13/9/23। उसके बाद का मैं इंक्वायरी कर लूंगा।
यू शुड कम 8 जनवरी 8 जनवरी
एक इंटरिम एप्लीकेशन लगाया था साहब।
प्रोसीडिंग स्टे कैसे करें भाई? ट्रायल तो फिर
साहब वो आगे बढ़ जाएगा तो फिर
नेक्स्ट डेट कब है? पूछ के बताइए तो, पूछ के बताइए।
पोजीशन पूछ के बता।
पासपोर्ट आई